74, yeah. All right, people. So I got on liquidbidding.com last week, and I picked up this pruning 8-inch chainsaw for $40. Now it's $100 brand new at the Home Depot, but I got it for $40. Then I spent another $20 on a couple of chains, so now I'm $60 in. I already got Ryobi batteries, as you can see. I'll see how it works. Only thing about it is, don't come with no directions, so making up stuff as I go along. After a few minutes of fooling around, wasn't that hard. The screw, push the blade in and out to tighten the chain. The screw came out to allow you to put the chain on, so it's not too bad. It's gonna make something happen. I'm trying not to lose a finger. Got this thing in front of my house. Looks crazy right now, but it looks better once the leaves come in the spring. But cut grass and this branch gets in the way, so does this one. So we'll get those out of the way right now. Okay, just like that. $40. 60 with the 2 chains. Okay. Let's go. Should go cut that tree down now. So I'm trying to keep all these crazy leaves and weeds and stuff from falling into my yard. So I'm cutting these big branches down now before the leaves get on them. It's a bigger one. Quick work. Let me get this big one down. Hopefully it don't knock me out. Maybe this one. Yeah, this is directly over my head. Be viral if I get footage of myself getting knocked out cold. I'll try to avoid that though. That's some crazy. Use 2 hands and get ready to run for this one. And this is what I got done. This is what I got done before the battery died. Big cuts. 2, 5. And then some other smaller cuts, but yeah, they cut for a while. And this is just, and the battery wasn't even full, so it did what I needed to do. This little, hey, it's doing its job. Forgot to mention that was on the smaller battery, the 1.5 amp. Next time I'll use the 4 amp. But it worked full power until it quit. 74, yeah.